Greetings, esteemed audience. This channel focuses on health, fitness, and beauty. Our video centers on fitness, nutritious food, and enhancing your physical appearance. In this episode, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel. Doing so will ensure you remain informed without any adverse effect. For many years, fitness publication and digital platforms have focused on workout targeting specific body parts. If one sought out to enhance their chest, back, shoulders, or arms, a plethora of resources were readily available. It was widely believed that numerous workouts existed for these individual muscle groups. However, in today's discussion, we will explore exercise designed for a comprehensive upper body workout. Recently, studies have revealed a variety of exercises that can significantly improve the upper body. Currently, there is a growing trend among fitness enthusiasts to engage in upper body workouts to achieve an aesthetically pleasing physique. In fact, both upper and lower body workouts have emerged as most sought after routine among recreational lifters. The critical question arises: how can one determine if the upper body workout they are following is suitable for their needs? Furthermore, how can one assess its effectiveness if delivering the desired results? In this video, we will examine essential exercises that should be included in any effective upper body workout to meet individual aesthetic goals. Among the most impactful exercises are push-ups, back extensions, lat pull-downs with a resistant band, overhead presses, and B-curls. These movements are beneficial for body transformation for individuals of all genders. Additionally, videos on my channel provide detailed explanation of each exercise, and I encourage you to explore them for proper guidance in your workout regime. Remember to subscribe to stay informed about the new content, as we are continuously developing resources to support your fitness journey. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you again soon. Thank you. Bye bye.